pretty much the only way you would get around is by horse, by foot, or by water, and waterways were the superhighway of the day. And poor John Flood was caught up in this because he transported the Rat Tail files unknowingly for William Lounsbury, and this absolutely infuriated John Flood. John Flood went out and joined the Westchester County Militia, and he was appointed as a captain in that unit. William Lounsbury escaped, and he wound up making his way to Long Island and hooking up with the British forces there.